Hey, welcome back to Jonathan Music. I'm Jonathan, and we are going to continue on in our tutorial series. Let's learn more about music and the guitar. When I first started playing the guitar, I couldn't stop noodling. That's a term that we use as guitar players, where our fingers just keep moving and they keep doing things. It feels good. And it's great to do that. A lot of good stuff can come from that, and you can learn a lot of things about yourself as a player. But over time, there are some fundamentals that need to be made concrete in your mind and things that we have to work on. So in music, there are three families. I consider them families, is my terminology. You have rhythm, harmony, and melody. Okay, so this focus today is on rhythm. Okay, the guitar, by its very nature, is a rhythm instrument. So the way that I learned how to play the guitar was completely counterintuitive. Fingers going everywhere, fast, that's great. I could play something really quickly and lose your attention just as fast as I could play. It took me years to realize I'm doing this backwards. I need to just slow down, start playing something nice, and make sure I'm on time. Because if you're not on time, you're probably not going to be playing for anybody other than yourself. So let's get right to it, okay? All you need today is you need a guitar, a pick, your brain, and more importantly, the metronome, okay? The metronome is your best friend. And so let's get started. The purpose of this exercise is right hand focusing on rhythm and staying strict to the rhythm. Kind of like a meditation for musicians. So let's go. All right, we're gonna turn it on. This is 88 beats per minute. Let's get playing. Okay, so you hear the rhythm. So let's start with quarter notes. Quarter notes is one beat for every four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you breathe while you play. Listen, and don't lose that beat. And if you do, just get right back on. Okay, so the next subdivision of the quarter note is the eighth note. So for every one beat, that's 2 times. Within one beat, 2. So an eighth note is 2 beats in the place of one note. One beat, excuse me. 2 in the place of one beat. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Lastly, let's work on our 16th note. 16th notes, that subdivision is 4 in the place of 1. So 1E and a 2E and a ta 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 ta. Over time, you can start developing, but for now, let's just keep playing and respect the meter. Quarter notes, eighth notes, and finally, what did we say? 16th notes. And there you have it. Keep working on that, put that in 10 minutes to all of your lessons and see what you do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure that you subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know. Do you like what we're doing here? Was this helpful? Maybe I can explain something that you're interested in. Ask your questions, feel free to let me know. And we'll talk to you soon. But before we go, hit the subscribe button and we'll talk to you later.